We have a new visitor to the tortoise enclosure. He is a turkey vulture. Pretty cool, huh? As close as I can zoom in, guys. Hopefully my window isn't too dirty. If I move too much, he might take off. Let me get above the fence so y'all can see him. Yeah, the tortoise is in his burrow, so I'm not concerned about that. But we have so many birds coming. It is so hot right now. And that pond is definitely an invite for wildlife. So there you go. Yet another interesting critter here at Petrichor Ranch in Arizona. Ooh. See if he'll go on down to the pond. Yeah, he's walking on top of the chain link and it's a little pokey. Oh, hang on and see maybe we can get him flying. He's gonna be big. I can't tell from here if the little water fountains are spraying or if they're clogged up. So the spraying water could make him nervous. They're little solar-powered floaties. Isn't he cool hanging out up there on my fence, huh? Close as I can get him, touching the window. So far he hasn't seen me, I don't think. A little bit higher. He's eyeballing the pond, which is right there below him, which you can't really see because there's a big bush in front of it, but it's right there. I'm trying to hold still, I'm on my tippy toes, folks. Pretty cool. Gonna go? Is he gonna go? Alrighty then. As always, sending much peace, love, and harmony from Petrichor Ranch in Arizona. Get some sun and find a reason to smile today. Talk to you soon. Bye now.